The first conflict management style that we're going to discuss is the competing style of conflict management. As you might recall, the competing style indicates a high concern for the self and a low concern for others. So we really care about our own needs and goals and don't really care about the needs of our conflict partner. As a result, the competing style of conflict management often results in a win-lose scenario, where we are striving to win the conflict, potentially at the loss of the other person. Generally speaking, the competing style of conflict management involves the use of power, and this power can be non-coercive or coercive. If we are using non-coercive power, we might be requesting a change of the other person, so we might suggest that our conflict partner change a behavior, for example. We might also persuade our conflict partner and give them reasons to support our request or our suggestion. So there's much more of an information exchange happening in these more non-coercive uses of power. If we're using more coercive power, however, these strategies generally violate guidelines for ethical communication and are usually directed at rousing your partner's emotions in some way. So we might use insults, profanity, yelling, or even threats of punishment if you don't get your way. And as you might guess, the competing style of conflict management has been linked to aggression, but the two are not always paired together. It's just that there is a chance that having this competing style of conflict management could potentially escalate to hostility if it continues on and kind of escalates upward. So just remember that the competing style of conflict management has a high concern for self, a low concern for others, and often results in a win-lose situation.